Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review a new product. That product name is Neo Commission. So Neo Commission is a cloud-based chat messenger app that comes with inbuilt done for you and traffic training. Here concept is to take that traffic through your this chatbot, and this chatbot will provide your affiliate link to the customer who have visited. Once they click through your link, you will get the commission from this. So this software is like a ManyChat software. The ManyChat software has similar features that allow you to send your chat messenger through this Facebook Messenger, as it is integrated with the Facebook Messenger. But so here they will charge you $10 per month, but it is only chat bot. But whereas in Neo Commission you will get other benefit as well, and that is also with one-time cost. So in short, this Neo Commission software work like this. So it will divert this traffic to this automated bot chat, and then this through chat, then through this chat will interact with your customer on behalf of you, and then they will run the done for you campaign through your affiliate link. Once this customer buy this product through your affiliate link, ultimately you will earn the money, and there is a great opportunity. So this work in totally automatic mode. So every time it will give you huge earning. So every time this buyer traffic will divert to this bot, and this bot interact from your side, and they will take the customer through your link, affiliate link, and this way you will earn the huge commission. So I'll discuss key benefits and features of this software while I review this software in detail. So today I have a great offer for you. So I will give you bonuses which is act as an add-on for this software, and which is very beneficial. So you will get bonuses from my side and vendor side also. So if you purchase this product through my link is already given in the description. So once you click on that link, you will get all bonuses from my side, and bonuses offered by vendor also. So let's review this product. So first I will take you through my bonuses, then I will take you through this member area, and then we will go through this sales page, and then price part of this. So let's start the review. So I will take you through my bonuses. So these are some my bonuses. So these bonuses is for only limited period. My bonus number 1 is online entrepreneur. So with this help of this software, you will get full training how to create your funnels and how to boost your online business. So this is very great tutorial. So with this tutorial you will get free. This is full-fledged tutorial. My second bonus is the last code. So this tutorial you will get to know about how to create automatic done for you. So you can create automatically done for you and create various campaign for your product. So bonus number 3 is the 10K email manifesto. So in any online marketing, email list building is very important. So this tutorial help you to grow your email list, and even this taught you how newbies can start his email business, and how he can grow his email list. Now my bonus number 4 is crazy traffic explosion. So in any online business, buyer traffic is very important aspect. So with this tutorial, you get to know how to get free traffic to your offers and website, and how to grow your buyer list. So the step-by-step tutorial is given in this bonus. And the bonus number 5 is you will get all the vendor bonuses. So for these bonuses, you just need to go to your Warrior Plus. Once you click on that Warrior Plus right hand side, you will come to this page. Here in green part, you can access your product, and whereas once you click on this blue portion, you will redirect it to all the bonuses which I have mentioned here. So now I will take you through the member area. So this is the dashboard. So it looks like this. Here on right hand side, some upsell is given that we'll discuss in sales page. So here dashboard tutorial is given. Let's open this tutorial. So in this tutorial, everything step by step or tutorial is given, like Neo commission, how to get started, then integration. Here this video shows you how to connect your autoresponder, and this social sharing, this tutorial shows you how to share your campaign to hundreds of on various social networking sites. So create more affiliate campaign. In this tutorial, it shows how you can use the app to create additional affiliate marketing campaign. So next tutorial is that in this video you will learn how to access the upgrades. Next is the bonus builder. In this video you will get to know how to set up pages using the super affiliate builder. So there various traffic strategies given in this tutorial. You will get to know the various traffic strategy so that you increase this traffic. So this various traffic is lesson 1, video 2, video 3. There are various videos given to increase your traffic source. So here you will get to know how to set up the process for individual campaigns. So if we have some campaigns here, 3 campaign is already ready-made campaign is given. So suppose you can click any of the campaign and you can put your affiliate link there, so that whenever the traffic is visit to that site, that through your affiliate link they will go to your sales page and you will earn the commission. So suppose I click on this profit app, so it will redirect me to the Warrior Plus page. So here see, this is my affiliate link, so I can copy this link. I will copy this link from here, and then I can put it my chat box. So here we'll go to this chat box. So here chat box is there, ready-made chat box is there for all these 4 ready-made campaign. So you can create your new chat box for your any campaign. Suppose I have get the link, affiliate link for this crypto profit app, so I can edit this. So I just click on this edit. So this is my chat box. So you can edit this chat box as well. So once this buyer traffic will visit here, so this automatic chat box will interact with your buyer and will take the your buyer to your product through your affiliate link. So there this chat box is there. So you just click, go down and down. So here he is asking his name. So once the buyer is land on this page, so suppose this buyer put this name, Abhay. Okay. So this chat box will interact with him. So here you can place your link, Warrior Plus link, whatever your Warrior Plus link is there, your affiliate link. So your affiliate link you can paste here and you can save it. So once this buyer go to the this product, he directly go through your affiliate link, so that once he purchase, so you will get the commission. So check out here. Suppose you can also put here your affiliate link. and you can just click save the changes. So once the buyer go through your this link, so you will get the commission for that product. So here you can say your campaign. So whatever campaign you have saved, that will automatically come here. So you can view that campaign, you can edit that campaign also, and even you can create new campaign also, and you can put here, and in that board you just need to put your affiliate link, so that whenever any customer visit this page, so it will redirect through your affiliate link and you will earn the commission. So there is a great opportunity through this. So it is totally automated, done for you. So you don't have to do anything. You just simply put your affiliate link in that automated board. There some bonus campaign is also given. So these are some various bonus campus. You can edit this bonus campus and you can put your affiliate link, so that you will get the commission through this. So here some free traffic tutorial is given. So here some free traffic app is given. You can use this inbuilt app to grow your traffic. So simply free traffic app, you have to just register and then activate free traffic app. Here some training is also given how to increase your traffic. So here some upgrade is given. You can upgrade this software as per your requirement. So support is also given, so you can contact the support and resolve your query. This is from this member area. This is a great software which have a great content with one-time small amount. So we will quickly go through this sales page and price part. So I'll just go through the main points. If you want to go in detail for the sales page, the link is already given in my description. You just click that link, it will redirect you to the sales page so that you can go through it in detail. So here some results, some proof, money making proof is given, and some testimonial is also given. So you can go through it. So this product created by this person, Glenn Kioski. So with the help of this app, you can earn commission from the various sites. See, you need to just put your affiliate link in this bot and it will attract the buyer traffic and you will get the commission. So you can earn from Warrior Plus, ClickBank, Zevizu, Digistore, Amazon, Shopify, eBay, and so on. You need to just put your affiliate link from this site to this bot, and then this bot will interact from your site to your buyers. Once they buy through your affiliate link, you will get the commission. So as I told, you will get bonus from vendor side also. So these are some free bonuses you will get along with this software. This bonus number 1, $2,000 per day from home profit loophole. You will invited to private live online event. Number 2, make commission in 60 seconds. So this new system let us make our first sale in 60 seconds. Bonus number 3, earn $500 per hour ClickBank affiliate system. So this bonus number 4, underground internet blueprint. So they will show you step by step in the bonus training how they have generated more than $5 million online. So these are the various bonus you will get along with this product. So you will get 180 days money back guarantee with this software. So we'll go through the front end price and OTO price. So front end cost you around $17. So OTO 1 unlimited, that cost you around $67, but downsell price is $47. OTO 2 100% done for you, that cost you around $97, but downsell price is $47. OTO 3 is unlimited traffic, cost you around $97, down sale price is $47. OTO4 is automation that price you around $67, but down sale price is $37. OTO5 is ATM, cost around $197, but down sale price is $47. Ultimate version that cost you around $197, but this down sale price is $47. OTO So OTO7 you will get it with full license right, that will cost around $67 and down sale price is $37. So this is the price for this software. So I will just summarize the key features of this product. So this is based on artificial intelligence. So with the help of this bot, you will get the unlimited traffic. This is 3-in-1 system, includes free buyer traffic, list building, and top converting offers. So this is newbie friendly software. So here inbuilt done for you campaign is there. You can create your own campaign. So here zero maintenance, update, or manual integration required. So you can grow buyer list in multiple niche. So no experience or technical skill required. So autopilot buyer traffic you can generate in 60 seconds. This is newbie friendly also. So and you will get 180 days money back guarantee also. So this is the review for Neo Commission. I hope this review is helpful to you. And if you want to purchase this product, the link is already given in the description. So you will get the bonuses from my side and vendor as well. So you just need to go through this link. Link is already given in the description. Click that link. It will redirect you to the sales page. So on this channel, I will come up with the upcoming digital product review. So do visit and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this review.